gave me my hands to reach out to man. Show him your love and your perfect plan. You gave me my ears, your voice so loud and clear. I can hear the cries of sinners, but can I wipe away their tears? Lord, I'm available to you. My will I give to you. I'll do what you say do. Use me, Lord, to show someone the way and enable me to say, my storage is empty and I am available to you. Ooh, my storage is empty. Lord, I am available to you.